ordering food in a restaurant. Welcome to Happy Restaurant. How many people? 1 Ying, 1 Len, 1 Le, Kansing, Jingwei, Jiwei. Just one. Yiwei. Come this way, please. Zi Bian Qing. Please have a seat. Your server waiter will be here. Qingzu Fuyu Yuan Ma Shanglai. Thank you. Xie xie. Hello, are you ready to order food? Ni hao, nen yao. Jian kan ma? Yes, please. Sheda. What would you like to order? Ni yao dian, shin ma, ne? I'd like to order a plate of Kung Bao chicken. Wu Yao, Yi Pan, Chong Bao, Yi Tsing, a bowl of rice and a glass of orange juice. Yi Wan, Mi Fan, Hai Yao, Yi Bei, Ching Ze. Would you like anything else? Bi de hai yao ma? No, thanks. That's all. Bu yao la, xie xie, ji zi xie. Okay, how da? Excuse me, miss. I'm ready to pay the bill. Fu yuan mai dan? Cash or credit card? Nen shi xian jian hai shi shuka. Cash please. Shen jin. That will be 63 yuan. Liu shi san kuai. Here you are. Gani. Here is your change and your receipt. Zhi shi nen se ling tian hi xiao piao. Please come again. 1 Ying xia xi zai lai. Welcome. What would you like to drink? 1 Ying, 1 Leng, Ni xiang, Hi jian chen ma? I would like a latte and a mocha. Wu xiang na ye bi nui. Cafe hey mocha cafe. Latte without milk or sugar. Na tai bu yao nian nai hot sang. Okay, how da? Your total cost to 53 yuan. It is for here or to go. Zhonggong shi wu shi san yuan. Zhang zeli hei hai chi di zu. For here please. Wu wei zai zelin he. Okay, here is your receipt. How ze sheni zi shuju. The waiter will serve the coffee to you later. Fu yu yuan wei bai cafe song dao nen se zuzi shang. Okay, thank you. How da shishine?